The tyres had good positive turn in. I was very impressed on the first left-hander here. There was no understeer, no squeal. So I'm impressed with them. They're holding up well so far. First thing I probably noticed was the back end was a lot more locked down, and that was with all the traction off, so that was surprising. So they've obviously warmed up quite quick, and again on this circuit, that going into the first left-hander, the outside front rear takes a hammer in, and it's looking okay. Felt good. The turn in was positive, and I couldn't feel it rolling onto the sidewall, so I really like that.